Welcome to OCuSOFT, and today we'll be showing you how to use the OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Original Foaming Eyelid Cleanser. If you have dry, scratchy, irritated eyes, the problem may not be your eyes, but your eyelids. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on our video. Without further ado, let's get into how to use OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Original Pre-Lathered Foam. First, remove the plastic lid over the pump container. Next, using either a clean finger or lint-free pad, pump the desired amount of OCuSOFT Original Foam. Then, with your eyelid closed, scrub the foam on your eyelid using side-to-side motions. If using a lint-free pad, use the other side of the pad for your other eyelid. Once you are done, make sure to use water to rinse your eyelids.